Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. This used 2018 Ford Escape S in Lightning Blue Metallic is an appealing option. With 46,000 miles, these vehicles have a reasonable mileage history. The Lightning Blue Metallic exterior adds a touch of vibrancy to its design. The interior provides comfortable seating and a well-arranged layout. Equipped with practical features, such as Bluetooth connectivity and a rear-view camera, these vehicles offer convenience and functionality for everyday driving. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.